So this one is one of my favorites. So our spine has the ability to move like a snake, front to back, side to side when we're walking and moving. But often when a restriction happens, it can happen in our upper spine, lower spine, our rib cage. It can kind of happen anywhere, but that restricts that movement. So if you imagine a snake slithering, if one end is held, how that's going to affect the movement of the whole snake movement. The same thing can happen with our spine. So a lot of us hold tension in our upper back. And so you can grab these pinky balls, and then we're going to start with laying down, and then we're going to get down into our lower back. So go ahead and start laying down face up, and you're going to place the pinky balls right in between your scapulas, right along your spine, so your erectors, if you can pinpoint where those are. So placing the balls back. And then you're going to grab your elbows, and then you can move your elbows side to side, up over your head, back down, and just finding an area where it feels good, like where you might have a knot or you feel some tension. So you can move the balls or the device, whatever you're using, up your spine an inch or two or down your spine. And so you're just trying to find that place where it feels good and right. If it feels red hot or sharp, don't do it. So again, you're just moving your arms side to side, up over your head, and back down. And then you can do that for as long as you want. And then you can also take them, and you're going to pick up your pelvis, so pushing down through your heels, pick up your hips, and then placing the balls on either side of your spine. And then you're going to pick up one knee and then the other, holding onto your elbows, and just slowly rolling back and forth. Or you can just stay in one place. And then that same thing, you can move them up your spine. You can go all the way up to your upper lumbars. So here, here, here. And then when I'm doing my upper back, here, here, and you can even go to here. And just kind of seeing how that feels. So you can walk around before and after you do it and just seeing if that's helping or not. But that can get those little adhesions that can happen all along the vertebra. And just so you just want to allow your body to melt over the balls. You don't have to roll and crank on it. And then you can use your elbows or pulling your knees up towards your chest as you getting some leverage.